The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 BL610 is currently Amazon's best seller, which is exactly why we bought it for a thorough evaluation. Let's go! Now let's see our blender. First, we have the lid, our container, and then the motor base. Remove the plastic. Now, let's go through everything we have right here. First, we have the lid. You have to use push, release, and lift handle up. Align arrows on lid and jaw handle, lower handle, and click into place. Release the handle up, align the arrow, lower the handle, and click into place to lock it. Okay, awesome. Easy enough. And we have the blade here. Seems to be turning very smoothly. Warning about the blades, the usual. Now I'm going to remove this strip of paper. Again, lock the lid in place and align the container onto the motor base. You can see that there are only two lock icons over here, and we have to turn it counterclockwise. So we're going to have to position the handle here 45 degrees away and then turn again, or this way, like this. And then you can see on the container are level markings with a maximum liquid volume of 1.9 liters or 64 ounce liquids. So I guess 72 ounces only in weight. Okay, now let's give this one a rinse with water and washing liquid before we put it to our first use. Okay, I have my water and my washing liquid over here. I'm going to release the lid, add in the water, and some dish soap. Remember, always clean your kitchen appliance if you can before first use, because we don't know what kind of grime and dirt has been built up over the course of transportation and even during manufacturing and boxing. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. Now let's take a quick look at the control panel over here. Very simple, only 5 buttons. The power button, pulse mode, and 3 power levels, low, medium, and high. Okay, so to stop the blender, simply press the speed setting again. Okay. Now, we saw how the Ninja BL610 boasted about its ice crushing capabilities, so that's what we're gonna test right now. We'll release the lid, open it up, and fill it up with ice cubes to the max. Perfectly measured, as I want it to be. Close it, lock it down. Now, let's take a look at the control panel again. We've got 3 distinctive speed settings, which is what I like, even though it's not as detailed as having like numbers from 1 to 10 or 1 to 15. This is as intuitive as it can be and is my preference. So let's turn it on. You can see it's glowing red. Give it a few pulses. Go slow first. medium, and high. Oh, okay, so I didn't know this, but actually when you release the lid, the blender will automatically stop. So that's a really cool safety feature. Now let's take a look at our eyes. I'd say it's looking pretty good. So let's dump everything out and see what we're working with. Okay. The eyes are blended finely, smoothie. So much so that they kind of stick back together in one cold, icy lump. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, everything is as fine as it can be. So this consistency, for me, would be perfect for cocktails or slushy. Just look at this. Just add some syrup and some of your favorite drink and you're ready to go. And there you have it. With the performance that the Ninja BL610 has demonstrated in this unboxing and first impression, I can confidently say that this one is going to be an excellent investment. So, if you enjoyed the video so far and would be interested in an in-depth review on the blender, let us know in the comments down below. In the meantime, please consider leaving a like and subscribe so that you won't miss our future uploads. Thank you for watching Shouldit, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!